Alright, welcome back to the series. So I am looking at old artwork, basically judging the composition, lighting, materials, performance and cinematic. And then we will rate everything out of 5, and if you guys would like to, you can also rate these pieces of work down in the comments section. I would greatly love to see them. So if you guys want to watch the full videos of these as well, it is also in the description. Without further ado, we will start. So this is a little mock-up of London. This was a little project that I did a while back, just to kind of get proportions regarding sizes and depth of buildings. For some reason it's not playing, which is great. I'm having problems with this computer all day. I think it's given up. It's like, no, you cannot have this build. Give me 2 seconds. Alrighty, so I've got it on YouTube itself. Yeah, so this is the video in question. We currently have all of the stuff. Now, this isn't the direct copy of London. I have to say that it's not the direct copy of London, so if there's any buildings that look familiar and stuff like that, it is an artist's impression. But essentially, I've been building this for a good couple of months, and I wish that I really had a really powerful PC, because I would absolutely enjoy building stuff. I'm presenting it to you guys and basically teaching you guys how to do stuff, essentially. Yeah, so this entire build is just built on part of Westminster. I don't know what the other side of the river's called, do forgive me, but it's that part, and alas, an error has occurred.